Are you facing the problem where your Google search history is not showing on your Android phone in 2025? Don't worry, I'll show you the exact fix step by step. First, open your Play Store and search for the Google app. Tap on it and update the Google app to the latest version. Many times the issue comes only because the app is outdated. Next, go to your phone settings. Scroll down to Apps and tap on See All Apps. Now search for the Google app again, tap on it, and then tap on Force Stop. Hit OK. This will refresh the app in the background. After that, tap on Storage and Cache. Now tap on Clear Storage, then tap Delete. Don't worry, this only resets the app data and it won't harm your phone. Now, in the same apps list, search for Google Play Services. Tap on it, go to Storage and Cache, and then tap on Clear Cache. Once you're done, restart your phone. After restarting, open the Google app again and check your search history. It should now appear properly without any issues. This simple method usually fixes the Google search history not showing problem on Android in 2025. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more easy fixes.